Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sam Speaks Studio, where we make English simple, natural, and actually fun to use. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Mark. Hello to our amazing listeners all around the world.
Mark, can I ask you something?
Uh-oh, that sounds serious. Go ahead.
Why are your shoes wet?
Because April happened.
April showers.
Exactly. I left the house this morning and it was completely sunny. 10 minutes later, boom, rain.
That sounds very April, and that's exactly what we're talking about today. April showers and useful rainy day English. What are April showers? First, let's explain this expression. April showers means the short periods of rain that are very common in April.
Right, not all-day rain. Usually quick, sudden rain.
And there's a very famous English saying, April showers bring May flowers.
Which means the rain in April helps flowers grow in May.
So even though the rain is annoying, it's actually a good thing.
Tell that to my wet socks. Drizzle.
Let's start with an easy word, drizzle.
Drizzle is very light rain, small drops, almost misty.
You might say, it's just drizzling. I don't need an umbrella.
Famous last words.
Now the opposite, downpour.
A downpour is very heavy rain. Suddenly everything is soaked.
Example, we got caught in a downpour.
That happened to me yesterday. I was dry, then 2 minutes later, completely soaked.
Next word, thunderstorm.
That's when you have heavy rain, thunder, and lightning.
Thunder is the loud boom sound. Lightning is the bright flash in the sky.
Thunderstorms in April can be very dramatic.
After rain, what do you see on the ground?
Puddles.
A puddle is a small pool of water on the ground after rain.
Puddles children love. Adults, not so much.
Especially when a car drives by and splashes you.
Sometimes after heavy rain, streets become flooded.
Flooded means covered with too much water.
You can say, the road is flooded, we can't drive through.
This does not mean saving water.
No, it means saving money for the future in case you have problems.
Example, I put some money aside for a rainy day.
Smart move. Come rain or shine.
This means you will do something no matter what.
I go for a walk every morning, come rain or shine.
Very dedicated, Mark. Okay, Mark, be honest. Do you like rainy days?
It depends. If I'm inside with coffee and a blanket, yes.
That sounds cozy.
But if I have to commute to work in a downpour, absolutely not.
Fair. I actually love rainy afternoons.
Why, Sophie?
Because rain makes me feel calm. It's relaxing.
See, I feel sleepy when it rains.
That's normal. Rainy weather can make people feel tired or lazy. Even though April showers can be annoying, they help plants grow.
Yes, after rain, everything looks fresh and green.
The air feels cleaner.
And sometimes you see a rainbow.
Exactly. Rainbows appear when sunlight shines through rain. Let's quickly review today's words.
Drizzle, very light rain.
Downpour, very heavy rain.
Thunderstorm, rain with thunder and lightning.
Puddle, small pool of water on the ground.
Flooded, covered with too much water.
Save for a rainy day. Save money for the future.
Come rain or shine, no matter what.
Now it's your turn.
What is April like where you live?
Is it rainy, sunny, unpredictable?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in English in the comments.
For example, April is very rainy in my country. We often get thunderstorms.
Or,
April is warm and sunny where I live. No puddles at all.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Sam Speaks Studio.
And share this with a friend who always forgets their umbrella.
Keep practicing, keep listening.
And remember, April showers bring May flowers.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
That's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. If you want to improve your English, remember to practice every single day. Watch this video at least 4 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your speaking skills quickly and confidently. Focus on copying the intonation and pronunciation. This is the secret to sounding natural. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Sam for more useful and easy English videos.